Looking for a Windows laptop that can handle serious work without weighing you down? Is that even possible? Usually, it's a tall order. This one's changing the way I think about a creator's dream machine. Hi, I'm MICHAELJOSH, your gadget matchmaker, and over the last decade, I've made it my job to show people around the world that tech can be easy, fun, and exciting. On this channel, I give you special access to the products I review, the events I attend, and all the interesting people I get to meet along the way. So, if you're a creator looking for a Windows laptop, give me a like and subscribe, and I'll help you find the right gadget to match your needs. This is the ASUS ProArt P16 in the spotlight. The ProArt P16 is a laptop built for creators who demand both power and polish. Carved from solid CNC aluminum, it feels rigid and premium, like a tool you can trust. It packs top-tier components, but stays surprisingly slim and light. ASUS torture tested it to meet US military-grade durability standards, so you can bring it anywhere through long editing sessions, shoots, and daily wear. Its nano black finish is deep, rich, and understated. Just like the creative pro who lets their work do the talking. Every creator knows the display can make or break your workflow. This one's a 16-inch 4K Lumina Pro OLED, and it's a powerhouse. With HDR peak brightness that can climb past 1600 nits. Blacks are true black, colors are calibrated out of the box. And that 120Hz variable refresh rate makes video work, animation, or just everyday scrolling feel buttery smooth. There's an anti-glare coating to tame reflections, and when the workday runs late, the flicker-free dimming and low blue light mode means your eyes won't hate you. And then there are the creative extras. Like Muse Tree, an AI board that sparks concepts through generated visuals, and the ASUS Dial Pad, a customizable wheel that gives you precise controls in apps like Photoshop or Premiere. Once you get used to it, going back feels clunky. Remember when I said this laptop is packed with top-tier internals? Under the hood, it's pure muscle. The AMD Ryzen AI9 HX370 sits at the core. 12 high-speed cores, 24 threads, and clock speeds of up to 5.1 GHz. What makes it special is the dedicated AI NPU, capable of 50 TOPS, that's 50 trillion operations per second, roughly 3 times faster than the last generation for on-device AI. It's efficient too, handling those heavy AI tasks without killing your battery. Pair that with NVIDIA's RTX 5090 GPU, built on the new Blackwell architecture, and you've got powerful rendering, higher resolution playback, and ultra-low latency. Perfect for generative AI tools or 4K video editing right on device. If you've ever worked with 422 footage before, you know how brutal it can be. The RTX 5090 fixes that with hardware-level decoding. No proxy files, no stutter, just smooth playback no matter the file size you're dealing with. Triple NVENC encoders and dual NVDEC decoders means exports are up to 13 times faster than before. Compared to the MacBook Pro M4 Max, it's 2.4 times faster in DaVinci Resolve 422 encoding, and 5.6 times faster in 3D rendering. Add up to 64 GB LPDDR5X RAM and a 4 TB SSD. And yeah, the ProArt P16 is built for the most demanding of creative workflows. To make the creative process smoother, ASUS adds smart software like StoryCube. We've featured it before. It's an all-in-one media manager that automatically organizes your footage, even for GoPro cameras. ASUS partnered with GoPro to give users 6 months of GoPro Cloud Premium Plus for free. Your photos, videos, even 360 content from the new GoPro Max 2 sync in full quality straight to StoryCube, where AI tags faces, detects scenes, and organizes everything. From there, you can drag your assets right into your favorite editing app and start cutting immediately. All that power needs serious cooling, and the P16 it delivers. Instead of standard heat pipes, it uses a vapor chamber, far more efficient at dispersing heat. Paired with 3 fans and liquid metal cooling on the CPU, temperatures drop up to 13 degrees Celsius cooler than traditional setups. You can even tune performance through the ProArt Creator Hub, switching between Whisper, Standard, Performance, or full manual mode. Press Function plus F. And so you won't forget, F is for fan. As a CoPilot Plus PC, the ProArt P16 uses that 50 TOPS NPU to make everyday tasks smarter. Recall takes snapshots of your screens so that you can find anything later just by describing it. Co-Creator in Paint can transform rough sketches into finished artwork in real time. And Generative Erase lets you remove unwanted elements with a quick brush stroke. It's AI that actually feels useful. Less hype, more helpful. Because this is an ASUS, ports are never a problem. You get a full-size SD Express 7.0 card reader with speeds of up to 985 megabytes per second, a USB-C port that supports 100-watt power delivery, and 40 gigabytes per second transfer for moving huge files. There's HDMI 2.1 output, capable of 8K 60 Hz, add Wi-Fi 7, and you're ready for today's and tomorrow's networks. And that was the ASUS ProArt P16. It's powerful, portable, and unapologetically made for people who take creation seriously. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, you know the drill, folks. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we post new videos. Follow me on social for all the behind-the-scenes fun, travel, and fashion. And for news and updates, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.